Dear friends, this is a luxury 3 bedrooms in Xujiahui, Yadu International Garden, 160 square meters, garden view and smart home. Your dream home in Xujiahui is here. Yadu International Garden, top-tier community in the heart of Xujiahui, East Nandan Road. 3 bedroom, 2 bathrooms, about 160 square meters. North-south open layout, bright and airy. Stunning community garden view, spacious living and dining area, premium appliances, water flow heating, central air conditioning, oven, smart toilet, master bathtub, washer dryer and dishwasher, brand new large French window, unbeatable location, steps from Xujiahui Metro Station, Line 1, 9, 11, close to Grand Gateway, Shopping Mall, Metro City, Huijin, ITC Xujiahui Center. Do you like this apartment? Thanks for watching.